Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a quick share of a Peachy cheap haul that I did. I've had it for a week or so now, but have just opened it and want to get to playing with it, so I figured I'd do a little share before I tear into it. But it did come with a paper pad, and it's the Fresh Bouquet collection. And you can see all the samples of the papers. I'll just flip through. It is one-sided, but heavier cardstock, not like paper-ish. Beautiful, some of these. Love it, love it. It did come with these wood veneers, and that's the back. And the front has this like goldish foiling on it. But there's butterflies, flowers, frames. And that's the things that are in it. I believe it's one of each piece because there's only 6 pieces in this set. It did come with this stamp set. Flowers, the sentiment, the little things you do, and it has this wreath, rustic wreath. It also came with these stationery packs, or that's what it's called, 12 stationery packs. And they're just like envelopes, tags, some ephemera pieces, some journaling cards. So 12 of those. And then it also came with this bouquet of thickers. And they're just all florals. Love it. And it matches the collection well. So yes, that is my Peachy cheap haul. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. If you're new here, welcome. Please consider liking and subscribing and sharing this video with a crafty friend. If you're returning, welcome back. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next videos, shakas.